Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah with MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida, standing on board a brand new, gorgeous Sea Ray. But the reality is, this video isn't about a boat at all. The video is really about you guys. Because you're probably watching this from the couch on a Saturday morning thinking about what you're going to do with the day. Maybe you've got YouTube on in the background because that's where this video is, right? You're checking out the Wavy Boats videos, you're checking out some memories, you're checking out all these cool little things and dreaming about the water. Well, this is the memory maker. This is it. Guys, this is where you want to be. I'm Jeremiah. This is MarineMax Sarasota, guys, and this is what we do. This Sea Ray is epic. The teak floors, the 800 horsepower worth of V10s on the back, this lounger, guys, that's really half the story. The other half of the story is the cooler under the deck. This seat for the people who don't want to be wet when you're in the water at the sandbar. The shower for rinsing off right behind my foot. Running your own stereo. The grill, the sunshades. All those amenities are just to take this incredibly comfortable boat and make it work for you, your friends, your family. Make it the most epic days you've ever had, because that's really what this is about. This is about the fun. This is about the ease. Joystick on these boats, guys, running the motors sideways to the dock, spinning around. It has nothing to do with making the boat fancier, more technological. No, it's just about making your job, your docking, your coming, your going easier. That's it. Make the day less stressful, because this is just about fun. Somebody who's a little too hungover the night before and wants to come with you guys, it's got a great little headache cabin tucked out of the way. Having a lot of fun that day and you guys need to use the bathroom, it has that too. This is about amenities, taking care of you, your friends, and making that day on the water YouTube worthy for you guys. So if you want to hang out in the sun, the bow on this Sea Ray 350 SLX is one of the nicest places you can do it. I'm Jeremiah Long. This is MarineMax Sarasota. Guys, if you want a Sea Ray of your own, you want to make some memories on the water, come find me.